Oh, we can make a whole little kids cartoon. we got some little Teletubbies. We're going to find the cookies. Okay, let's get some cookies. So they walk, and they find the cookie jar is empty. Oh no, where have the cookies went? I know, let's go tell Mom. Mom, what happened to all the cookies? I don't know, dear. Check in the cabinet. So they all look in the cabinet. Mom, there's no cookies here either. Well, I don't know, honey. Won't you ask your father? So they all go and ask the father. Father, have you seen the cookies? And then they find out that the father ate all the cookies. We bored as fuck at the studio. Jeez. Super Jay on the commercial.